Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to stop sharing messages from iPhone to other devices. To stop sharing messages from your iPhone to other devices, you need to turn off text forwarding in the settings. So first things first, let's just head into the settings and then scroll all the way down until you find the apps application, and then scroll all the way down until you find messages and click on that. Once you do that, all you need to do now is simply go ahead and scroll down and then look for text message forwarding and go ahead and turn that off. Also turn off the MMS messaging. You can also go ahead and turn off the SMS forwarding right over here. So it is as simple as that. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead into your iCloud and then disable your messages. So simply open your iCloud tab and now go ahead and click on your CO inside of iCloud right over here. And now simply go ahead and turn off messages in iCloud. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.